Every year, billions of dollars in real estate are simply left to rot. But what if one of those forgotten properties held a secret?
Once the bones were secure, the real demolition began.
Sight unseen. The goal? To uncover its history. But first, we had to understand exactly what we were dealing with.
Every great restoration begins with a master plan.
We needed to map every square inch of the estate. The structural integrity was a complete mystery.
The plan: stabilize the foundation, gut the rot, and rebuild the interior from scratch.
But the blueprints showed a wing of the house that shouldn't exist. It was time to explore the bones of this forgotten giant. Room by room, the house revealed its age and its decay. Dry rot, the silent killer of historic architecture. Despite the ruin, the craftsmanship of the past was undeniable.
We had to save whatever original materials we could.
But the real mystery lay below ground.
The foundation was entirely submerged, a massive challenge before the build could even begin.
We brought in industrial-grade pumps to drain the swamp.
As the water receded, the true scale of the foundation was revealed. It took 3 days just to reach the stone floor. And that's when we hit our first obstacle. Or rather, our first discovery. A hidden sub-basement. Not on any of the original blueprints. A hidden sub-basement. Not on any of the original blueprints.
Sealed tight by decades of rust and pressure.
We had to know what was down there. The air was stale, heavy, unbreathed for perhaps a century. Descending into the dark, the temperature dropped significantly. It wasn't just a cellar. It was a reinforced, subterranean corridor. Remnants of a forgotten era. Smugglers? A fallout shelter? The history was unclear. Fascinating artifacts, but structurally, the tunnel was compromised.
We had a major reality check. The foundation above us was sitting on a fault line.
The entire mansion was at risk of a catastrophic collapse.
We needed heavy machinery, and we needed it immediately.
The solution: a total structural steel skeleton, engineered to hold the weight of the stone. Millimeter by millimeter, we raised the house back to level. Merging modern engineering with 19th century architecture. Once the bones were secure, the real demolition began. Gutting the interior was a lesson in architectural anatomy, removing the decay to make way for the new. small fortune, hidden inside the walls. A mystery left by the previous owner. With the rot gone, we had a blank canvas of massive proportions. The vision was clear. Industrial luxury, blending seamlessly with historical stone.
First, we sealed the envelope, bringing light back into the darkness.
Floor-to-ceiling glass, completely transforming the space.
The environment immediately changed. The haunting atmosphere was gone.
Next came the foundation of our interior design. A flawless, polished concrete floor, industrial, durable, and incredibly sleek. We designed the layout to be completely open concept, maximizing the massive scale of the property.
Every system had to be modernized. Plumbing, electrical, and off-grid solar tech.
Ensuring this massive stone structure would stay warm in the harshest winters.
For the centerpieces, we sourced reclaimed timber from the surrounding forest.
Bringing the raw beauty of nature indoors.
Precision engineering meets organic design.
The centerpiece of the mansion, a floating architectural staircase.
Creating the illusion of weightlessness within a fortress of stone.
The upper levels were dedicated purely to luxury and relaxation.
A monolithic stone tub weighing over 2 tons.
Supplied entirely by a newly drilled, pure artesian well on the property.
The ultimate bunker of comfort.
We were building an infinity pool that would look out over the deep forest.
An engineering feat required to hold 80,000 gallons of water on a cliffside.
Creating a dark, reflective surface to mirror the surrounding trees.
The exterior transformation was breathtaking.
We hadn't forgotten the secret tunnel we discovered. We reinforced the stone and repurposed the space.
Creating the ultimate climate-controlled subterranean wine cellar.
A nod to the history we found buried in the dirt.
The final element of survival and comfort. Fire.
Heating the massive space with supreme efficiency. From a rotting, terrifying ruin
to an absolute masterpiece of modern, off-grid engineering.
Every inch reclaimed. Every mystery solved.
Nature and architecture living in perfect isolation.
The forgotten estate had finally been brought back to life.
A fortress of solitude. We conquered the decay. We stabilized the fault line.
But working on a property this old, with this much history,
You always find things you weren't looking for. During the final week of insulation, tucked behind the central masonry, we found one last secret the house refused to give up. A heavy drop safe, welded directly to the structural steel of the 19th century chimney.
we couldn't open it. We couldn't move it without compromising the newly built roof.
We built $1 million luxury oasis around a mystery we may never solve. It stands as a monument to survival, to extreme engineering.
We moved mountains of earth. We forged a new skeleton of steel. We drained the dark depths.
And we uncovered the secrets of the underground.
Restoring a ruin is not just about building.
It is about respecting what was and redefining what could be.
From a forgotten nightmare to the ultimate escape. A project that tested every limit of design and endurance. But as I sit in this fortress of luxury,
Knowing that box is still up there in the dark, holding on to the history of the people who abandoned this place.
It makes you wonder